Okay, welcome to our boat daw. So, welcome. Wait, so Dad, we're not finished yet. We just started. So this is the boat that we're going to ride later on. Same looks like this, no? So this is our sink. This is the cooker. That's the visitor in there sitting. There's a Wii computer. So can you go to, so that nobody will go in our queue?
I want to sit for a minute.
Oh, sit sa, and then the toilet. And the bed.
And the outside bed.
And then outside bed. This is Denise. Denise Marie's journey. Look, that is her face. Say hi guys. Ina.
Hi guys.
Video ka. Outside. Go outside kapag video. Dali. Look at here. Move a bit. You are the driver.
Let's go with the
Look at the boat there. Boot.
bit.
Boot. And then we go out na.
Then have a little sleep.
And then morning na.
And then you have a little
Cute kaayo ang boat. And then that's Denise. And this is the radio. Hello, over.